Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in Facebook app on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First open the Facebook app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Open menu. Tap the menu icon with the 3 lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down. Next tap settings and privacy, then settings. Step 4. Open language and region. Scroll down and tap language and region. This is where Facebook manages your regional content. Step 5. Change app language. Tap Facebook language and choose the language of the country you want Facebook content from. This helps adjust posts, videos and recommendations. Step 6. Refresh the app. Close Facebook completely, then reopen it and scroll your feed. You have now start seeing more content from your new region. And that's how you can change your Facebook region on iPhone using free settings. No VPN required. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.